Welcome back to the channel. We've had a bit of a break. I managed to get those first 6 videos out, and then I had issues with the computer. The computer I've been using for editing, it exploded. Don't know what went wrong with that. The company that built it did a great warranty request on there and just sent me a new one, plus some cash for inconvenience. Got that back, and then my GoPro 12 started overheating every time I used it, so I literally couldn't take any content more than 20-25 minutes. That took a couple of weeks to send them one back, get a new one. They said it was a software issue. They seem to know the fault. Who knows? Let me know if you've had similar problems. The gentleman's Cooper is finished. Again, I need to edit and put a video together about that. I've got some of the last few projects that I did with a friend of mine. He was helpful and came down, so he's going to feature on the channel. But right now I'm just starting our 1978 Mini Moke. Don't know if you're familiar with these cars, but they're iconic classics. Not many of them left. It's going to be a beautiful car. I think I bought the cheapest in Europe at the time. Prices seem to be coming down a little bit now. Okay, so where to start? There's literally rust everywhere. I think this can be repaired without removing the panel. Toe boards are rotten at both sides, as you can see. The underside of this car had they put a steel plate underneath, and it was bonded on with silicone and insulation foam. It looked good. It wasn't very good. It peeled straight off and revealed what we're looking at right now. It is an Italian car, so it's very holy. I think we can say that. On that.
So I'm going to pull it out.
Mini Moke, 1979, California, from Italy. I put up some screenshots of how it was when it arrived, when it delivered. At the time it was the cheapest Mini Moke to find in Europe. It was 7,000 euros delivered. Let's see what we can do. I've already spent a fortune on it in panels. I'll put some pricing and stuff later. But it's going to be a good project. Might take a little while. See how we go.
Willow.
So I'm going to drill out the old welds with a spot weld drill bit from the front. New panel go on, welded from the back. Hopefully. So here I've ground back, turned with filler. It's quite a lot of filler on. And then wherever there's low spots, I'm drilling out the welds. See this section shows it more clearly. You can see where the spot welds are out there and the low spots. So drill all them out, and then front panel comes up. I'm absolutely caked in filler, as you can see. That's that front end off on this point here. That's practically loose now. Need to chase all these off at the back with the chisel, which is what we're going to try and do next. And then of course, whatever I've done at this side, I've got to repeat the process at the other side. I'm not going to film all that in detail because you've seen me do it once, but might have this front end off today. Time for another. Thanks, Mikey. You're a star. we go again. It didn't go so gracefully at the end. Seems quite knackered under there. There's the old front end off. Happy with that. Start. I want to say hello to one of our subscribers, Oliver Wadkin. We love you, mate. You're a legend. Oh, and he's sleeping out. I'm going to put a link. He's collecting for charity. He's doing a sleep out. He's only, are you 11, Ollie? I think he's 11. He's 11 years old. He's going to sleep out in his tent. He's swapping his bed for a sleeping bag, and he's sleeping out for charity. Sponsor the boy. Links in the description below. Don't want to rebuild him anyway. Alright, done for today. Thanks very much.